Good morning, Carolina Marine Group. So just because we've got the coronavirus doesn't mean that we are not trying to cobble together a living here. This is a Back Cove, I don't know, 40 something maybe, I don't even know, 37, Back Cove 37. We're going to be doing a sea trial on it today. It's just going to be me and the surveyor. I've got the doors and windows open, and we're going to be keeping our distance 6 feet, practicing social distancing and graces. So he'll stay out of my way, I'll stay out of his way. And we're going to do a short haul over at Ross Marine. It's a single Cummins diesel with a bow and a stern thruster. Nice boat. This is getting taken in on trade. So quick little interior shot for you. 37 Back Cove. Down here, I just did a survey on the outside of the hull and everything else that I normally do, just to make sure that there's no scuffs, scratches, dings, or dents that could possibly come back and get pinned on me. So a neat little boat. We're going to head off the dock here shortly and take her for a little spin, and we'll see how she goes. So stay safe, practice social distancing, and all my introvert friends, this is your time to shine.